great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
For me, the man to look out for is Andres Iniesta, not just because of his incisive passing, but for his dribbling talent too. I mean, he can penetrate defensive lines with ease, and he does it all with such elegance.
Can he finish? And it's a goal!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
The invitation was clear, and it was accepted with the utmost glee.
Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
Ronaldinho! He's got a goal! They're level in a trice!
Well, if ever you want to see a lesson in responding to a deficit, that's it. Their heads didn't drop, and now their chins are up.
Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. He's going for goal! Oh, that's fabulous!
Perhaps deserves a little bit of sympathy here because that's a goalkeeper's nightmare. It's clear that the keeper was unsighted by his defence, and by the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Corner. And he just whacks it away. And now they can spring out of defence. And it's Salah. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Roberto Carlos. Iniesta cuts out the pass. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Vieira. The referee's awarded a free kick. Iniesta. De Bruyne. And here's Lewandowski. Mohamed Salah. Neymar. And it's Neymar. Anderlecht finding their passes. Now it's Messi.
Messi, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Van Dijk. A real chance to break. Now it's Lewandowski. Now it's Ronaldinho. Anderlecht can breathe again, just.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
It's Neymar! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Salah. De Bruyne. A real chance if he can get through. Gets his pass away. Chance! Well, the ball's run loose here. Oh, good read. De Bruyne. And it's Lewandowski. Now this could be a chance. Beckham. Possession football, Jim, we're seeing plenty of it. What is it, though, that really makes it work?
Well, for me, what makes it work is the fact that everyone in this team has the courage to show for the ball. You can't shy away from it. You can't hide. You have to front up in a setup like this, and everyone is doing just that.
You make it sound so simple. And here's Neymar. Neymar running with the ball. Oh, he's in! Now it's Mbappe. In here. Great chance! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders.
You lucky boy, you lucky boy. Giving the ball away like that is usually punished.
Alexander-Arnold. And it's De Bruyne. Lewandowski. Oh, he's picked out the runner. Can he finish? It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Aimed in towards the centre. Now it's Neymar. And it's Messi. Beckham. Is there any support? He might not need it. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. And that'll be the final action of the first half. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just 1 separating them. And neither side holding back here. It has been quite a half, this.
Well, we've had plenty to go at in that first half, Peter, and it's a fragile lead that could quite easily change hands in the second. If you like your football unpredictable, I think you're at the right match.
Anderlecht head into the half-time break with a narrow advantage. It is 2-1. And we are already promptly back underway. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. Neymar. Roberto Carlos.
Yeah, I think if that can be repeated, there's a good chance of a goal.
Alexander-Arnold. Now it's Neymar. Neymar! It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
De Jong. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And that's been intercepted. Poor pass that, sloppy. Alexander-Arnold. This is De Jong. Lewandowski receives it in a good position here. De Bruyne. Roberto Carlos.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
The attendance
They're
for this
coming
match
again
was
and again.
You know, the
71,649.
interest value in this game might just take off from here.
It's Neymar! That's a fine save.
Neymar sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Mohamed Salah. Ronaldinho. That's a stern challenge. He will go no further. Now it's Messi. Well, facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup. Messi. De Jong. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Well seen, saw that coming. Neymar. And that interception was most necessary. He's in a good position. Mbappe! And he hits the net. A 2-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Mbappe demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
They've seen the light, and the opposition have been left in the dark.
Well read, and the danger is averted. Vieira. And it's Lewandowski. Neymar. Now it's Messi. Iniesta. Messi. And he's searching through. Neymar. Messi. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. De Jong. And it's Lewandowski. Beckham, who has made his impact already. Messi. Oh, good read. Mohamed Salah. And now the breakaway. And it's Ronaldinho. And it's Salah. Neymar. Now Mbappe. And it's Beckham. Beckham. Well seen, saw that coming. Roberto Carlos is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Neymar. It's Neymar! Mbappe! The whistle has gone, and it is all over. Anderlecht can be very happy with a job well done, an efficient win for which the players simply did enough. Mbappe voted man of the match.